In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your account in Instagram. So first, you need to click these three lines in the top right corner and then choose Settings and Privacy. After that, you need to search Deactivate. Click Deactivation or Deletion and then you are redirected. Click your Instagram account and then choose Deactivate account. After that, you need to enter your password for confirmation. Click Continue. And then here are the choices or reasons why you need to deactivate your account. So you need to click one reason and then click Continue. And here is the confirmation. And after that, you're done. Thank you, and I hope that helps.